Hi friends, my name is Emily Cox and I am your host for the Elemental Escape Iceland Yoga Retreat. Please join me for an Elemental Escape teaser meditation. So go ahead and come into a comfortable seated position. Gently close down your eyes. Allowing your body to begin to settle. No need to do anything. No need to be anywhere. Take a slow, intentional breath in through your nose. And a long, soft exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale, feel the breath move down to the belly. And exhale, let the weight of your day melt away. Allow your breath to become an anchor. A steady rhythm that draws you inward. With each inhale, invite in space. With each exhale, soften just a little bit more. Begin to feel what lives beneath the stillness. A quiet warmth, a low hum, a faint flicker of fire deep within. With each breath, feed it, stoking your flame. Inhale, the air fuels your fire. Exhale, allow it to grow. A quiet burn in your belly, your chest, your throat. This is not chaos. This is clarity. The kind that whispers and then roars. You've felt this before. The pull towards something bigger, something wilder, truer. It doesn't come from pressure or performance. It comes from your truth, your dharma. The part of you that knows you're meant to step forward, to move toward the unknown, not away from it. Let the breath get deeper. Feel the heat start to rise. You were not made to play small. You were made to answer the call. There will always be a reason to wait, to pause, to put it off. But your fire is asking for something now. To trust it, to honor it. Say yes before the fear has a chance to say no. Breathe into that fire one more time. And let it move through you like a promise. Not someday. Now. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.